How is it going? Yeah, this is me again, Mr. Push. Many thanks to everyone who engaged my last video, yeah, especially on YouTube. So I'm doing this purposely for my YouTube channel subscribers. Yeah, my YouTube channel subscribers, my viewers on YouTube. Thank you so much for engaging my videos. Yeah. So the country I come from, Nigeria, in Africa, you know, when you find trucks like this in the street, you will find probably like 4 to 5 people attached to the truck. We call them loaders or motorboys, you know. Unfortunately, here in New Zealand, is a different thing entirely. The truck is automated, you know, just the driver alone. Is that a funny? Yeah, so what this means is that there are some jobs in Africa that are not relevant here in developed countries. Jobs like loaders, motorboy, conductor, which one again? Organizer, shoemaker, gate man. They are not relevant here. You need to upskill yourself, young man. Upskill yourself. If you also reside in a developed country, you know, just put in the comment section jobs that are relevant in Africa but are not relevant abroad. Yeah, let's do this together. Yeah, great. So thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe and also share my video. Keep commenting, you know. Then also you can put in the comment section whatever topic you would like me to discuss in my next video. All right, see you soon. God bless. Mr. Push.